Diane.
Diane.
Ajá.
El nombre es inglés.
Sí.
Diane. Morning. Well, I had a real strange night. Around 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. I was editing and I just zonked right out. And then I woke up around 11 p.m. and I was just like, oh, totally disoriented, like no idea where the heck I was. And this was because I turned the air conditioning off and the heat and exhaustion just sacked me. It's so funny. So then, I go do your business, clean up, brush your teeth, do that whole sort of thing. And then, I go back to bed, and then I wake up around 3 in the morning. Like just, wow, what's going on? I'm just kind of wide awake. Anyways, go back to sleep. And I finally woke up here around 6 or so, and I said, well, that's it. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna go do my stuff. So as you can see, I'm freshly shaved, showered, I've done my exercises. And so I'm gonna have some breakfast this morning down here in the lobby area of this hotel. Now the outside of it doesn't look like much, but inside, they did a really good job in here. Like it's clean, it's simple, nothing super fancy, but I'm gonna have myself some breakfast, and that looks like the most comfortable table in here. I brought everything, it's like my camping supplies. So I brought everything with me. I've got knife, I've got avocado, I've got some pineapple. Woo! I found some pineapple without sugar last night. I did a lot of walking last night, which you guys didn't get to see, but I walked all over the town looking for groceries and so forth, and that is going to be breakfast today. Did I mention that I had to buy a can opener? Back home, everything's got a pull top on these cans. You just don't think about these things. I'll go for a bit of a walk before it gets too hot out. And then, just take you for a walk down the street. You can see what the deal is. A bunch of steps going down because it's downhill to the water. This is the clinic. You can get your COVID test there. Drivers are really nice. They let you cross, even after they've committed themselves. This was yesterday's wonderful supper. I really enjoyed the sushi. It was uniquely different because it wasn't really sushi-like. Kind of weird to say, but it's a Mexican twist on sushi. Even so much so that I had to ask for wasabi, and they looked at me like, what's wasabi? So since my bike is in the shop and won't be ready until noon, I thought I'd take you for a walk around La Paz. Just down the street, I found a vegan taco place. Let's see what we got going. Hola. All right, we broke the communication barrier, sort of. Basically, I'm gonna take what I get. ¿Cómo te llama?
Diane.
Diane.
Ajá.
El nombre es inglés.
Sí.
Diane. I think she says that the tacos are small so you don't get fat, you stay skinny. So the deal is that you get your base stuff here, and then you serve yourself. We settled in on 2 spicies. The orange ones are spicy, the green ones a little less spicy. These are awesome. Tacos. Tacos have beans, or frijoles, in between the layer of baked bread and the taco is just a taco. Since I'm in a vegan restaurant, I can have a vegan cake. That was awesome. I mean, really good. And it costs all of about $8. And I'm full with a dessert. Sweet. Sweet deal. I got time to walk my lunch off now, since the bike is not ready as promised. That's a big lineup. Maybe they're giving away a free iPhone or something. Must be for their cruise or something. The bike was promised to be ready by noon. Well, getting the bike back was a little challenging, let's just say that. But the bike is in my possession. I'm sorry I did not videotape that for you, but that's where we're at. In the next episode, we'll show you how easy it is to buy a ferry ticket out of La Paz. Hey, if you enjoyed the show, give it a thumbs up. Click the bell so you get notified when new episodes come out. Hey, subscribe, makes it easier to find the videos. And share it with some friends. It's always great to share things with friends. Hey, leave a message. I love hearing from you guys. And the call to ride will continue. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.